Hello there, welcome to our channel Log News again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to change your iCloud account's password from your iPhone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to change your password of your iCloud account, first open up the settings on your iPhone, and after that you can see your primary account on the top just below the settings with your name. Tap on your primary account. For me it will be Dissident Chester, so I'll be tapping there, and after that you can see the passwords and security option available, which is the second one. Tap on password and security like this, and after that you can see the change password option available at the top. Tap on change password, and now you'll be required to enter the passcode of your iPhone. First enter your passcode. Now over here you will be required to enter your new password over here, and again retype your password on the verify empty box. After that you can see the change button is available, and then tap on change to change your password on iPhone. And there guys, we have successfully changed our iCloud account's password from our iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.